So once again, welcome everyone to the webinar presented by Physiotherapy Online and Smart PT Academy. Our vision is to make education affordable and accessible to all. We are proud to provide courses taught by global lecturers with expertise in their specialties. While Physiotherapy Online is exclusive to attendees to the UK, Smart PT Academy is a global provider of CPD courses with pricing in your preferred currency. So I would like to invite you guys to visit www.smartptacademy.com. We provide both live webinars and self-paced webinars to accommodate global students to study in their time zone at their convenience. You may start and stop as you please, pass the quiz, and earn your CPD certificate, which is going to be available to your attendee dashboard. I would like to also take an opportunity to thank Physiotrends. It is India's first digital magazine dedicated to the field of physiotherapy. It is a peer-reviewed publication with digital object identifier system, ensuring the credibility and traceability of its content. The magazine focuses on disseminating the latest research, trends, and advancements in physiotherapy, aiming to provide valuable insights and knowledge to practitioners, researchers, and students within the physiotherapy community. Without further delay, I would like to introduce our presenter of the course titled Advancements in Parkinson's Disease. Dr. Srishti Banerjee is an accomplished physiotherapist with masters in neurology. She's a consultant physiotherapist and a lecturer. Dr. Banerjee is an author contributing to a book on peripheral nerve lesions and a chapter on aquatic therapy. She has also published original articles in various journals and explored topics like hamstring flexibility and environmental impact of NSAIDs. Dr. Banerjee is an online educator offering MOOC courses on sustainable healthcare and shoulder dysfunction post-stroke. She shares her insight through blogs and on neuroplasticity and pre-operative physiotherapy. As an author, she has explored sleep disturbance in spinal cord injury patients and the impact of COVID-19 on the nervous system. She is also a one-page owner on Physiopedia. Through webinars, Srishti covers a wide range of topics, including mental health in physiotherapy and environmental sustainability. Her commitment to improving patient care and promoting sustainability in healthcare is evident in her work as an assistant professor, LJ Institute of Physiotherapy, LJ University. Welcome, Dr. Srishti. You may turn on your camera now.
Thank you. So let's begin. So when we are talking about advances in Parkinson's disease, so basically when I talk about advances, the first thought that comes to your mind is robotics or any fancy mode of treatment. However, researching and looking for the articles and looking for published literature in last decade, or you can say for last 5 to 7 years, the latest research or the latest advance in Parkinson's disease is basically neuroplasticity based interventions. So this webinar is going to cover neuroplasticity based intervention from the lens of advances in Parkinson's disease. So before we go to Parkinson's disease and neuroplasticity, I would just brief you out about what neuroplasticity basically is. So neuroplasticity by textbook definition is the